حي على الصلاة حي على حي على الفلاح حي على
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salamu ala nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa azwajihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilman ajma'in inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase in all of us knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nice to see you, brothers and sisters. We'll do exercise number 8 on page 79. Just to re-emphasize what we are doing, brothers and sisters. We are doing Ya Mutakallim. Ya Mutakallim, when it becomes Mudaf ilayhi, brothers and sisters, when Ya Mutakallim becomes Mudaf ilayhi to Musanna and Jama Mudhakkar Salim, this is what our main focus is. Now, we know it has got a sukoon, but it will become Fatha. It will become Fatha if before it there is a alif with a sukoon. Of course, alif has a sukoon all the time. Or it has got a ya sakina. So if ya mutakallim comes after alif or ya with sukoon, then this sukoon changes into fatah. And it becomes like that. That's all we have to remember. That the vowel sign on Ya Mutakallim change from sukoon to fatah. When in front of her alif comes or Ya with sukoon comes. Just remember that. This is the exercise we are doing, brothers and sisters. Adif, add. Okay? Al-asma al-atiyata ila ya il-mutakallim. Add the following nouns to ya mutakallim. Wadbit al-ya'a. And vowelize the ya. Are you with me? Ilman, knowing, bi anna ya mutakallim, it becomes maftuhatun. What is the meaning of maftuhatun? Not open here, means fatah. Sister Hafsa, bi anna ya mutakallim maftuhatun means there is a fatah and ya mutakallim. So maftuhatun normally means open, but here maftuhatun means with fatah. It has been given fatah. Mal ismi, with the ism. What kind of ism? It's get a fatah. With what kind of ism? Akhiruhu. What kind of ism? Akhiruhu alfun. Okay, if the Noun ends with alif, and if that thing becomes mudaf to ya mutakallim, then the ya mutakallim will change from sukun to fatah. Or ya'un sakina, or if it is ya with sukun. This is what I explained, brothers and sisters. Keep that in mind. Of course, we have already done it. I just want to refresh your mind, brothers and sisters. Akhawani. Put ya mutakallim next to it. First, we got to drop the noon. Okay. Now what is left now? Alif. Alif is left. So ya with sukun will become ya with fatah. How will you pronounce? Akhawaya. Akhawaya. Fine. Ukhtani. Brother Haidar Ali, what will become to ukhtani? Ukhtaya. Are you with me? You'll drop the noon. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Brother Muhammad, Abwani. Abwaya, mashallah. Brother Hassan, Sadiqani. Sadiqaya. But you got to write it, inshallah. Okay. Sister Arifa, Zamilani. Zamilaya. Sister Faida, Sister Fazi, Yadani. Yadaya. Yadaya. Sister Nusrat, Ainani. Ainaya. Ainani. Ainaya. MashaAllah. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Very simple. But we got to understand it and remember it, inshallah. And brothers and sisters, you will write it. Writing will make you strong, inshallah. Again, adif, add. Adafa yudifu. Adif, add. Kalimatil lati tahtaha khattun ila ya'i mutakallim. Okay? The noun which is underlined, put ya mutakallim to it. Means make ya mutakallim as mudaf ilayhi to it, Wadbit and vowelize the ya. Okay, put proper vowel signs on ya. Here is an example, brother. Gasaltu ar-rijlaini. Gasaltur rijlaini. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Gasaltur rijlaini. Okay. Now you put ya mutakallam as a mudaf ilayhi. What will happen, brothers and sisters? It's given very beautifully in the book. Gasaltu rijlayya. No alif and lam. Why? Because rijlay is mudaf. It cannot have al. Very important. You got to drop al. Because it cannot, mudaf cannot have al. Okay. Rijlay, ya. It is actually rijlayni, which will change into rijlay. You will drop the noon. And now you can see the rijlay has got a ya with sukun. Plus you put the ya, which has no fatha. Two together, we make a idgham and give a shadda. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Shall I write it or is it clear? Inshallah. So it became rijlayya. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? But make sure we remove alif lam. Because rijlayya is mudaf ilayhi. And you cannot have al on mudaf. Very good, brothers and sisters. Now, Nusrat, ghammadtul aynayni. How will you change that? Aynayya, mashallah. Ghammadtu aynayya. Very good. Sister Madina, da'awtu sadiqaini. Da'awtu sadiqayya. Without alif lam. Sister Rahima, mashallah. Sa'altu zamilayya. Gulshan, rafa'tu yadayya. What will you say? Rafa'tu Yadayya. You'll drop the noon and it will change into Yadayya. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Sister Aisha, we got to remember this. Al-Ustadhani. Now put Ya Mutakallim there. Say it again, sister. Ustazaya. It won't be Ustazaya, it will be Ustazaya. Let us do it properly, inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters. Here it is. Al-Ustazani. How do you think, brothers and sisters? Now we put Ya Mutakallim. So what is happening now? First we got to remove al because it is mudaf, so we cannot have al. Next we remove noon. Okay? Now alif is left and ya is coming after alif. So we got to give it a fatah. Sahi? So what will you say now? Ya. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Ustazaya means, what is the meaning of Ustazaya? My two teachers. My two teachers are from Misr. Sister Maimuna? Aina wajadta daftarayya. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Sister Nasreen? Inna MashaAllah. Inna akhawayya alimani jalilani. Very good. Sister Sukhaina. Zahabna bisayyaratayya. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Inshallah, you find it easy. You understand it well, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Sister Naima. Da'a. Why will you say kalamayya? See, kalamani. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Da'a kalamaya. Got the idea? We got to be careful, Da'a kalamaya. Okay, very good. So this was done, brothers and sisters. Now we come to the other thing now, and which is kilahuma and kiltahuma. You got to understand, brothers and sisters, kilahuma, and this will change into kilayhima. See, huma change into hima because ya mutakallim came in front, and the next again will be kilayhima. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now I write down kiltahuma and then kiltayhima and then kiltayhima. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What did I write on the board? Mudaf, mudaf ilayh, that is correct. What else? In a very short and funny way, what will I say? I wrote down dhundan din. What did I do? I wrote down dhundan din. What does that mean? I wrote down marfu form, mansub and majroor. Kilahuma is marfu. What is the sign of marfu? Al-alif, li'annahu musanna. Kilay, what is kilayhima? Mansub. What is the sign of its nasab? Ya mutakallim. And kilayhima again is majroor. What is the sign of its jar? Ya again. Why? لأنه مثنى. Now I say kiltahuma. Is it marfu, mansub, majroor? Marfu. Alif is the sign of its rafa. Because it is musanna. Now you say kiltayhima. Is it mansub? Yes. What is the sign of its nasab? Ya. And the same thing, kiltayhima majroor. What is the sign of its jar? Ya. If you keep this in mind and use your knowledge and understanding in forming the sentence, when you form the sentence, keep this in your mind, brothers and sisters. And remember, if it is a fa'il, if it is a mubtada, then it will be marfu. If it is mudaf, if it is maf'ulun bihi, then it will be mansub. And if it is mudaf ilayhi or it is majroor biharf jar, then you have to use the majroor form. So it's very easy. But again, Dr. Saib in his vision first gives us enough example for us to ponder over it. So ponder over the following example and see how the kilahuma changes to kilayhima, kiltahuma changes to kiltayhima. First, let us ponder over the sentences, Ta'ammal. Ta'ammalil amthilatal atiyata li kila wa kilta. See, aina akhawaka. What is the translation? Aina akhawaka. What is the translation? Where are your two brothers? Your two brothers. Fine. What will you say? Both of them. Kilahuma fi Dimashq. Are you with me? Both of them are in Damascus. Fine, brother. So what will you say? Kila. Mubtada. Marfu. Wa alamatu rafaihi al-alifu li'annahu musanna. Wa huwa mudaf. And huma is mudaf ilayh. Where is the khabar? Fi Dimashq. Jar majrur. Shibu jumla khabar. Alhamdulillah. Now comes the other sentence, brother. Araital mudarrisaini. Okay. We have to say yes. I saw both of them. So what will you say? Naam. Ra'aitu kilayhima. Why kilayhima? Maf'ulun bihi. So it makes sense, inshallah. So kilay is mansub, and what is the sign of its nasab? Ya. Wa huwa mudaf, and huma mudaf ilayhi. Inshallah. Very good. Now, number ba. Aina talibatani al-jadidatani. Aina talibatani al-jadidatani. Translation? Where are the two new students? Now, I want to say both of them. So what will I say? Kiltahuma indal mudir. Indal mudira. Okay? To the lady headmaster. So kiltahuma, what is kilta? Mubtada, marfu. And alif is the sign of its rafa. Wa huwa mudaf. Huma mudaf ilayhi. Where is the khabar? Only in the. And what will you say? Shibu jumla khabar. And what will be the mudira? Mudaf ilayhi. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. May Allah bless you with more knowledge. All of us, inshallah. Very good. Now, Sister Madina, see ayya. Why ayya? I'm trying to make it very clear to all of you, and especially to Sister Madina. See, we have to see the verb. Is the verb mutaaddi? Is it transitive? Then it became ayya. Is mafulun bihi. Okay. So what is it? Ayya surataini. Ayya surataini. Now, hafista. See, that's the verb. Change it into hafista ayya surataini. That's the way we turn it around to understand better. Hafizta, you memorized. Which surah? So ayya becomes mafulun bihi. Huh? Fine. You want to say, I memorized both of them. Hafiztu. Huh? Hafiztu kiltayhima. Why kiltay? Because suratun is a muannas. So we say hafiztu kiltayhima. Huh? So what is kiltay here? Mafulun bihi. What is the sign of its nasab? Yeah. Why? Because it is musanna. Huh? MashaAllah. Very good. Huh? Now there is another sentence which will tell us the majroor form. Huh? Abbil arbiyati katabtal unwana am bil faransiyati. Did you write the address in Arabic or in French? I wrote it in both languages. So what will I say? Katabtu bi harf jar. So kilta will become kiltai. Got the idea? Bi kiltaihima. Why kiltai and not kilai? Why feminine? What is feminine? No, language, not unwan. The language. What is feminine, Brother Muhammad? The language is, unwan is not feminine. We are talking about the languages. That is why we say, katabtu bi kiltayhima. Kiltay means those two languages, which is logatani, logatun. Fine, brother and sister. Bi harf jar. Where is this majroor? Kiltay. Is it majroor? Yes. What is the sign of its being majroor? Ya. Why? Because it is musanna. Wahuwa mudaf. And then hima mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now comes something else which we have to understand. We have already studied it, but we will again try to revise it. Kilana maridun. What is the meaning of kilana? Both of us. What is it? Both of us. What is the meaning of kilana? Both of us. What kind of a combination is kilana? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? Where is mudaf ilayhi? Na. Very good. So, what kind of a sentence is this? This is jumla ismiya. Very good, brothers and sisters. Now, where is our mubtada? Kila. Only kila. Is it marfu? Yes. What's the sign of its marfu? Alif. Why? Because it is musanna. Wa huwa mudaf. And na mudaf ilayhi. And maridun. Khabar. Now see, maridun is singular. And kilana is, the meaning is dual. So we have to be watchful that we take kila in the meaning as dual. Are you with me? But we treat the compound as singular. What did we do? We treated the compound as singular. That is why the khabar is singular. Most of the time, this will happen. Very rarely, you may see somewhere, kilana maridani. But normal and more frequent way of, using will be singular. We will treat kilana as a singular, mubtada, and the khabar will also be singular. Keep that in mind. More exercise will be coming, but I would like you to make a note of it. You should highlight kilana with one color and maridun with another color. So that, and you underline maridun and make a note of it, that kilana, in its meaning, it's dual, but it is treated as a singular. And that is why the khabar became singular. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Brother Muhammad? Yes. Brother Haidar Ali? See, kilana, in meaning kila, is dual. But we treat as a singular. And then that is why the khabar comes as a singular. Huh? Okay, brothers and sisters. من أين الطالبتان الجديدتان? Translation? From where are the two female new students? Huh? Right. What is the answer? Kiltahuma. What kind of a combination is kiltahuma? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. So this is Jumla Ismiya. Where is Mubtada? Kilta. Huh? Is it marfu? Yes. Sign of marfu? Alif. Wa huwa mudaf. And huma mudaf ilayhi. What is the khabar? Where is the khabar? Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Min Nimsa. What is Nimsa? Austria. Huh? Nimsa, Austria. Nimsa. Huh? Alif, lam will come. Nimsa. Again, brothers and sisters, Ayya. Huh? Ayya mudarrisaini sa'alta. Translation, brother. Which of the two teachers you asked? Huh? So what will be your answer? Sa'altu kilayhima. So kilay became here mafulun bihi mansub. Huh? And mansub bil ya. Are you with me, brother and sister? Wa huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayh. So see, we got a good practice. Now we got to use that knowledge and write down the sentences which are required in the next exercise. Huh? Number 11. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati mustamilan kila wa kilta. Using, mustamilan means using kila wa kilta. Only you have to use these two. Ayyul kalamaini. Ayyul kalamaini da'a. Now here, ayyu, ayyu is fa'il. What is it? It's fa'il here. That's why it is ayyu. Okay. Da'a, ayyu kalam. Which of the two pen got lost? Which of the two pen got lost? What will be our answer? Da'a. Da'a. We need a file. Marfu. Da'a kilahuma. Got the idea? Why kilahuma? Kila is your file now. Marfu. Both of them got lost. Did you understand, sisters? Inshallah. Ayyal kitabaini turidu an tashtariya. Translation, brothers and sisters. Which of the two books you want to buy? What is our answer? Uridu an ashtariya. I want to buy. Kilayhima. Now you got to have a mafulun bihi. Uridu an ashtariya kilayhima. So kilayhi, kilay your is mafulun bihi mansubun. Got the idea? Alhamdulillah. But huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi, that goes without saying. Okay, brothers and sisters. Again, ayya. See, we got to watch in this exercise how and why ayya has come and how and why ayyu comes. Are you with me? Did I miss something, Sister Nusrat?
No. Number 2.
Yes. No. No. What are you buying? Is books muannas or muzakkar? Muzakkar. Got the idea? You're not buying something muannas. If you had bought 2 cars, then you would have said, kiltayhima. You are buying books. Antashtariya, you want to buy. No. No, it's not jama. It's dual. In dual, it remains dual, Sister Rahima. It remains. What does it say? Kiltai? No, it cannot be kiltai. Maybe it is there, but maybe it could be typo. Why will I say kiltai? I don't see any reason. You know why? In English, if I were asked which of the 2 books you want to buy, what will be my answer? I want to buy both of them. Both of them is the books. Are you with me? No, make it here kilai. And I'll double check it. And I'll get back to you. Yeah, but I don't agree with it. Kilayhima. I don't agree with that. There could be type also, but we will check it on it. Are you with me, brother and sister? Inshallah. But when I explain you kilayhima, does it make sense? It does make sense. The kiltai doesn't come in the mind. Okay? So, uridu an ashtariya kilayhima. Okay? If there were 2 watches that I wanted to buy, then I would have said kiltayhima. Okay. But I am buying books, so it will be kilayhima. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. And your answer is there. What is your answer now? Kiltai. Why kiltai? Because of majalla. So how can you make kitabun and majallatun same? Kitabun is mudhakkar. Majallatun is muannas. Is it still saying in the number 3, Sister Kiltai? So then it cannot be right. Do you understand now? In one is book and in one is magazine. They cannot be both treated as same way. Okay? So, also, please look at it. In number 2, it says, Ayyal kitabaini. Is kitabaini mudhakkar muannas? Mudhakkar. Ayya majallataini. Is majallataini mudhakkar muannas? So that's what we have to follow. That is what we have to follow. Fine. So number 3 will be Qara'tu. Ayya majallataini qara'ta. Which of the 2 magazines did you read? What is your answer? I read Qara'tu kiltayhima. Both of them. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Now, you see, ayyu sa'ataini. Ayyu sa'ataini. Ayyu sa'ataini. No. Naifal, mashallah, mashallah. May Allah increase you in knowledge, Sister Sukhaina, and all of us. See, there has to be a reason. That's what I told you. Watch for ayya and ayyu. Surikat. No, make it ayyu. Make it ayyu. Make it ayyu. Ayyu sa'ataini surikat. So, surikat, ayyu sa'ataini. So, surikat is your majhul. So, where is your naib file? Ayyu. Ayyu is your naib file. So, what will you say? Surikat kiltahuma. Because what is kilta here? What is it? Naib file. What is kilta? Naib file. Is it marfu? Yes. What is the sign? Alif. See? Surikat kiltahuma. Both of them were stolen. Got the idea? And brothers and sisters, write down in the bracket naib file for you to make sure when you revise it on your own, you know it is a naib file. I would like you to highlight ayyu and write down naib file, and then I would like you to highlight kilta, and again write down naib file. So that inshallah when you revise you will not be confused. Any questions, Sister Madina?
So Kiltahuma is for Sa'atayn, right? Sa'atayn.
Yeah, ayyu sa'ataini.
Is it Majrur?
Where? Ayyu sa'ataini? No, it's majroor. Because ayyu will always come as a mudaf. And what will be the next noun? Mudaf ilayhi majroor. Ayyu will always come as a mudaf. And the noun which will follow ayyu will always be mudaf ilayhi. And what is mudaf ilayhi? Majroor. Please remember that. Did you write down naib file in both cases? Kilta and ayyu? It's nice to write these small notes. It will make your understanding strong, inshallah. Ayyal lugataini ta'arifu. See, ta'arifu, you know which of the two languages. Al-Urdiyata, Amil Farsiyata. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So which of the two languages do you know? What will you say? Arifu kiltayhima, mashallah. See, now you are understanding and you are answering absolutely correctly. Okay, see next question, brothers and sisters. Indaka. So what will be? Ayyu. Ayyul umlataini. Which of the two currencies do you have? Al-Junayhu Amid Dollar. Do you have pounds or dollars? You have sterling pounds or dollars? What will be your answer? In the kiltahuma. What will be your answer, brothers and sisters? In the kiltahuma. So what is kilta here? Mubtada, mashallah. Huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Where is our khabar? Inda, zarf. Shibu jumla khabar. And what is ya mutakalim? Mudaf ilayhi. Mashallah, mashallah. Number 7, brothers and sisters. Ayyu mudarri sayyil fiqh. How will you pronounce it, brothers and sisters? Ayyu mudarri sayyil fiqh gabal yawma. Why ayyu? It is the file, mashallah. Ghaba is your verb, and where is the file? Ayyu. Which of the two teachers of fiqh remain absent today? What will be your answer? Ghaba kilahuma. Kila now became your file for ghaba. Clear, inshallah? Very good. You know, if you get a time, you should highlight all the ayya, only ayya, so that you know it is mafulun bihi. And then you think why it is ayya. Then you will see there is a transitive verb in the sentence. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? If the verb is transitive, it will become ayya. If the verb is intransitive, it will become ayyu because it will come as a file. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Alhamdulillah. Now, number 8. Fatahta. You opened. Opened what? Ayyal babaini. Ayyal babaini fatahta. Translation, brothers and sisters. Which of the two doors you opened? What is the answer? Fatahtu kilayhima. Mafulun bihi. Kilayhima. Very good. Ayyun nafidataini maftuhatun. What is maftuhatun here? Brothers and sisters? This is your actually khabar. But we are going to learn very soon all these things, that how we analyze questions. We have not been analyzing questions, but soon we are going to learn how to analyze questions also, inshallah. So, brothers and sisters, Ayyu is your mubtada, and maftuhatun is your khabar. So what will you say now? Kiltahuma. Why would you say kiltahuma? Because kilta is your mubtada. Kilta is your mubtada. Huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. And what is maftuhatun? Khabar. See, now you can see kilta, in the meaning it is dual. But we treat it as a singular. So the khabar came as a singular. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Make a note of it, please. Man minhuma da'ifun fin nahvi. Translation, brothers and sisters. Which of the two, which of these two is weak in grammar? Okay. What is our answer? Kilahuma. See, again kila came as a mubtada. Kilahuma, in meaning it is dual, but in our treatment it is a singular. Kilahuma. Kila mubtada marfu wa alamatu raf'ihi al-alifu li'annahu muthanna wa huwa mudaf. And then huma mudaf ilayhi. Where is the khabar? Da'ifun. MashaAllah. You got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now, Dr. Sahib explains us. Kila wa kilta ismani lafzuhuma mufrad. The word is mufrad. Okay? In other words, brothers and sisters, we treat it as a singular. It is treated as a singular noun. Though it denotes dual, even though the meaning denotes that it is dual, but we treat it as a singular. Ma'nahuma musanna. In the meaning it is musanna. So that is what is being explained to us, brothers and sisters, that lafzuhuma mufrad, it is being treated as a singular noun, though in its meaning it is dual. Wa mura'atu lafzi. Mura'atul lafzi. What is mura'atul lafzi? Aktharu. The treatment of it as a singular noun is more frequent. Are you with me? Aktharu means more often. Or you can say most often. The treatment of it is as a singular. Brother, mura'atu. Mura'atu means consideration, observation. Okay? Taking into consideration. That is the meaning of mura'atul lafzi.